Today, I came to test the gamepad, the latest gamepad from Turtle Beach. As usual, first, the disadvantages. This gamepad doesn't support PS5, only compatible with computers and Xbox. The packaging is simple, which is a connection cable for the gamepad. It's wireless, can also be used wired. Inside is a USB receiver. The packaging is actually quite simple. This gamepad has its own secrets. Okay, now we can take a look. I usually test a 6-button gamepad. Why do I test this gamepad? There's a very special place. Let's take a look. The buttons have a conductive gel feel. These two are micro switches. This is a linear trigger. It can be changed to long and short key. The feel is okay. The last two unlock keys are pushed to the conversion gear. Let's take a look at the details. This joystick can be screwed. Screw it short. Take a look. It becomes a 6-button. Oh my god. Lock it and it won't turn. It has a built-in screen. Can be set through the mobile app. You can also use this button. The plus button. Press it to see clearly on the screen. Settings 1, 2, 3, 4. This is quite convenient, and you can change the button positions at any time. Let's test the game. When playing RPG, you can directly switch to it. Now it's a regular joystick. To sum up, this Turtle Beach gamepad, in my opinion, can replace Xbox Elite gamepad. It supports vibration, 6 buttons, and the joystick is also a whole joystick. I think it's okay, but it has some disadvantages. It doesn't support PS5 or Switch. It would be great if it supported more platforms. If you want to play on 5, you may need a converter. Maybe my main gamepad in the future. It has a battery life of about 20 hours. This Turtle Beach gamepad is pretty good.